Welcome to All About Biology. My name is Maida Anna. I'm a biology special education teacher. And here is...
Hi, I'm Annabella C. I'm a biology teacher.
Our focus for today will be about the making of a Terra Aqua bottled ecosystem.
We are happy to show you how to create one. And here is a good example of Terra Aqua bottled ecosystem. It has two parts in it, the aquarium part and the terrarium part.
And here are the materials to be used for our Terra Aqua bottled ecosystem.
Don't forget my video camera.
We need 2 plastic bottles. We will have to remove the label from the bottle using hair dryer. Resist ripping off the labels or you may end up with many small pieces of labels stuck to the bottle. These are now the 2 bottles after removing the label. This picture shows what to do with bottle number 1. It is done using a utility knife, cutting 2 cm below shoulder to produce component A, a shallow funnel top, and C, a deep reservoir. As shown in the picture, bottle number 2 is cut 1 cm below hip to produce component B. Here is now the final setup for your aquarium and terrarium. Okay, let us now start doing our Terra Aqua bottled ecosystem. We will do our aquarium first. Okay, first, we're going to add gravel to the C component of our bottles for the aquarium part. We will now add water below the cup of the inverted deep funnel. You have the option of putting aquatic plants in the bottom sediment if you put soil, but since we don't have soil, arrange boulders and other objects on the bottom sediments. You also have the option of adding aquatic floating plants. We will now add the fish to our aquarium.
We will now do the terrarium part of our Terra Aqua bottled ecosystem. We will now use the component B of our bottles. We will put the soil inside the bottle. Make sure that it is moist. We will now put a terrestrial plant inside the soil. You can use any terrestrial plants for your terrarium part. You can also add small insects or worms inside your terrarium ecosystem. This is now your aquarium part, and this is your terrarium part.
We will now establish a water connection between the aquarium and the terrarium. What you have to do is just put the terrarium over the aquarium. In your Terra Aqua bottled ecosystem, you have to make sure that you have a hole for the oxygen. We're now going to seal the bottles by using Scotch tape.
Let us put component A at the top of the terrarium part.
Finally, here are our bottled Terra Aqua ecosystem. We are happy to have shown you this podcast in All About Biology.
Now it's your turn to create one. Tune in for another creative podcast.